Hi there, I'm Alison and thanks for joining me. In this video I'm going to give a quick overview of Easify's Bill of Materials. Now you might know Bill of Materials as either kits or assemblies, but basically it's when you've got a product that contains other products. In the scenario I'm using here today, we're running a model train company and we're going to be building a model train engine. So to start with, we raise a new product. And for the sake of ease, we're just going to call this new product Big Train. Then we go to the Assembly tab, and this is where we can add all the components to the big train that make up the train kit. So we're going to have a master engine with 2 chimneys. And then because we've got the 2 chimneys, we're going to have a couple of funnels. So we'll add a 6 centimetre funnel and an 8 centimetre funnel. We're going to then have a couple of double vents. So I'll change the quantity there to 2. And a long chassis and some wheels for the train. So I'll have some 4 centimetre wheels and some 2 centimetre wheels, and I think we'll have 8 4 centimetre wheels and 6 2 centimetre wheels. And then we'll click OK to save that new product as an assembly. If we then raise a new order, we can add that new product that we've just raised onto this order. So we find the new product, we've got Big Train, and we just drag it onto this new order. Give it a description, and we'll give it a customer. And then if you drill into the product that's on this order, you can then see that the product contains all these other parts that we added when we raised the assembly. So you can see we've got the master engine, the funnels, the vents, the chassis, the wheels. And also the statuses here show you whether or not you've got enough of these products in stock to fulfill this particular assembly. So some of these you'd need to purchase, and some of them you've already got in stock. And if we were to change the quantity of the trains that we needed, for instance, let's say our customer wanted 7 of these trains, we would just change the quantity here, and the quantities ripple throughout the order here. And then if we wanted to do stock control, or what we call here is do the robot, we would just click on stock control along the menu, click on the little robot icon here for doing the robot or do auto stock control, and then it would tell us what we need to do with this order. So if we open this up, we can see that we need to allocate the master engine because we've got some of those in stock. We need to purchase the 6 metre funnel, we need to purchase one of the double vents, the other ones we got in stock, etc. So we now click OK. And you can see that what can be allocated has been allocated to the order. By doing the robot or auto stock control, we will also have raised some auto purchases. So if we go to the purchases section, you can see that a couple of purchases have been automatically raised for me. So we'll click on the first one for the supplier of modelling ways, and we can see that this purchase order has been auto-generated today for the 6 centimetre funnel that we need to order in to fulfill the order. And if we click on this cross here, we can see which order this relates to. So it relates to the order that we've just raised for our made-up customer, Susan Smith, who wants to order 7 of the big trains. We would then go ahead and place that purchase order with our suppliers. And again, if we look at the second purchase order, the Betterfield Model Company's purchase order, you can see there's a few more items that have been added to here. And here we've got the double vent that needs to be ordered, long chassis, etc. that we can then go ahead and order from our supplier. So the automatic purchasing system then tells us what we need to purchase in from our supplier to fulfill our customers' orders. So I hope that's given you a quick overview of what Easify's Bill of Materials can do and whether or not it will help your business. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments below, or feel free to email us at sales@easify.co.uk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.